Brick Sapro, good morning. Dear students, today we come with one another lesson, lesson 10. This lesson is titled in Syriac as Mele Gabioto Dumor Afrain. Mele, the plural form of melzo. Melzo is a feminine word. Melzo, word. Melzo, word. Mele, words. Okay? See how it is written. Mele. Here the endophone lomad is straight. Mele. All comes after the lomad. That's why here the lomad is very straight. Mele. Gabioto. Gabioto means selected. Gabio, chosen. To choose. Gabio. Gubayo. Gabio, the feminine singular. Gubito. Feminine plural form. Gabioto. See? Here melso or mele is feminine plural. That's why Gabioto is feminine plural is added. Gabioto, the feminine plural form is added. Okay, see? Gabioto. Gabioto means selected or chosen. Here mele gabioto, selected sentences, selected words, selected sentences. The more, the olet means of. More saint or holy man. The more, the one who is dedicated himself for the service of God, divine service. Okay? More saint, holy man. For the one who thinks always about the absolute being. Okay? Then the one who is always in the presence of God, moves in the presence of God. The more holy saint. Then Ephraim. Ephraim means Ephraim. Ephraim. Mele Gabioto Dumor Ephraim. Lesson 10 is titled as Mele Gabioto Dumor Ephraim, which means selected sentences of more Ephraim. Selected sentences of more Ephraim. Here the author is more Ephraim. Author, more Ephraim. More Ephraim, author of the poem, more Ephraim. All these selected sentences are taken from more Ephraim. Saint Ephraim. Who was the Ephraim? More Ephraim was a prolific Syriac language hymn writer and theologian of the 4th century AD. More Ephraim or Saint Ephraim was a prolific Syriac language hymn writer and a theologian of the 4th century AD. He was born around the year 306 AD, 306 AD in Nisibis, a Syrian town located in the modern Turkey. He wrote a wide variety of hymns, poems, and biblical sermons in verse as well as in prose. The most important of his works are his teaching hymns. His hymns are teaching hymns. These hymns are rich in poetic imagery drawn from biblical sources folk traditions, other religions and philosophies. The originality, imagery and skill of his hymns captured the hearts of the people readers. As a poet, teacher, orator and defender of faith, he was recognized as a doctor of the church. The most popular title of Mar Ephraim, Saint Ephraim, is Harp of the Holy Spirit. One another name to Saint Ephraim is Harp of the Holy Spirit. He died in 9th June 373 AD. 373 AD. See the lesson. 373 AD. I know is an interrogative pronoun. I know. Which? But here I know the. I know the means he who. How it is written? I know the. He who. He who. Rohem. Rohem means loves. Rohem, loves. He who loves. He who loves. What kind of love? He who loves. Yulpono. Yolupo. Yulpono. Yolupo means student. Yulpono is an activity. Yulpono means learning. Yulpono. See how it is written? Yulpono. Yulpono. I know the Rohem Yulpono. He who loves learning. The one who loves learning is called student. Yolupo. The typical character of the student is the activity of learning. He is interested in learning. The one who is not interested in learning will not be named as student. No. Learning, the activity of learning, the interest for learning, the love for learning is the masterpiece of a student. Okay? I know the Rohem Yulpono. He who loves learning. Nehave Sagi. Nehave. Nehave, the future tense of Huvu, to be verb. Nehave. Nehave means will be. Nehave, will be. Sagi means much or great. Zagi. Nehave, Sagi. Nehave, Sagi. Will be great. Yulpone. His learning will be great. Yulpone. Yulpone. Yulpono, Yulpone. Here the third person masculine singular, the pronominal suffix, third person masculine singular is suffixed. Yulpone, his learning. His learning. The one who loves, he who loves his learning will be great. The interest in learning, love for learning is very important in the process of learning. If you are a student, you should be in love with learning, in the interest of learning. Okay? You should find out a kind of happiness in learning, in the activity of learning. Then only your learning will be great. Then only you will be a great student. Your learning will be great. Okay, then. Wo I know. Wo I know. Wo I know. I know is, here Vavu, the conjunction is prefixed to I know. Wo I know. And wo I know the. And he who. And he who. The Rohem. Rohem. Rohem means loves. Rohem, loves. And he who loves, Bethalono. Bethalono. Bethalono means idleness. Bethalono, idleness. Bethalono. Bethalono, idleness. The one who is not in the interest of learning is known as Bethalono, idle one. He is not interested in learning, reading, writing, learning. Okay? He is not interested in the class. The one who is known as Bethalono. Bethalono, and he who loves idleness. I know the Rohem Bethalono. And he who loves idleness, laziness, simply sitting, eating, sleeping, the one who is not interested in learning, is an idle one. He is an idle one. Idleness, lazy one. Okay? Are you lazy? Idle one? Then you are not a student. That student should be always interested in the activity of learning. Who can be interested in the activity of learning? The one who loves the activity of learning. Love learning. Then only you can be great in learning. Okay? See, lo muse, lo, not or negation, lo, not, is not, lo. Muse, muse means able, capable, muse. Okay? Lo muse, he is not able, the idle one is not able, muse. The nehave, that to become. The nehave, here nehave means become, to become. Nehave, the future tense of huvo, the to be verb. Nehave. And the idle one is not able to become kashiro, kashiro, prosperous, rich, kashiro, kashiro. Kashiro means rich in character, rich in knowledge, rich in worldly richness and the heavenly richness. Knowledge gives worldly and heavenly richness. Okay? Richness in the knowledge. See here, wo I know the Rohem Bethalono, lo muse the nehave kashiru. The one who loves idleness is not be able, he is not become prosperous. He is not able to become prosperous. He is not able to become prosperous. Then, olmo ligigilo. Olmo means world. Olmo, world, olmo, almayan, olmo, world. Le gigilo, gigilo means wheel, La gigilo. La gigilo. Yoda. Le gigilo. Olmo le gigilo. World to a wheel. Domele. Dome means similar. Dome. Dome. Domele. Olmo ligigilo domele. The world is similar to a wheel. The world moves. Times and seasons comes. One after the other. The world is similar to a wheel. Okay? The marhet means that runs. The marhet. The marhet. The marhet. Marhet, not tau but tet. The marhet. The marhet. The marhet means that makes run. That makes run. Sabino. Sabino means time. Here sabine. Sign. Sabne. Noon. Sabine. Sabine means times. Vu yedoni. Eden. Season. Vu yedoni. Yeduno. Season. Vu yedoni. Seasons. We edoni. Seasons. That makes times and seasons run. The movement of the world, the movement of the earth makes times and seasons run. The movement of the earth makes times and seasons to run. Whatever material is movable, subject to movement. Here earth is subject to movement. The movement of earth makes run the times and seasons. See once again. Olmo ligigilo domele. The marhet sabine vu yedone. The world is similar to a wheel that makes times and seasons run. That makes times and seasons run. See the richness of the poem. The next one, ak dagnab. Ak, likewise. Ak, us. Ak. See, ak. Not Ike, but ak. See the difference in pronunciation. It is not Ike, but it is ak. Ak, a plus yod. Here it is ak. Ak, likewise, us. Ak, dagnab. All of these prefixed to gnab. Here the Syriac word gnab begins with a vowelless gomal. That's why the prefixed dolat is voweled with ptoho. A vowel. Dagnab. Dagnab means that it deceives, that it cheats, that it deceives. Dagnab. Helmo. Helmo means dream. The word helmet comes from this Aramaic word helmo. Helmo, dream. As that deceives helmo. Helmo. As a dream deceives bililio. Beth means, Beth is a particle prefixed to lilio. Beth here means by. By. By the night. Bililio. Bililio. Laila. Lilio. Lily. Lilio. The Malayalam names Laila, Lily come from Lilio. Lilio means night. Night. Okay? See once again. Ak dagnab helmo bililio. As a dream deceives by night. How the dream deceives you by night. At night, in sleep, you are seeing a dream. When you awaken, the dream disappeared. The dream was Maya. It was unreal. Maya, unreal. Okay, in Hindu philosophy, Maya means unreal. Real is Brahman alone is real. Okay, here see. Ak dagnab helmo bililio. As a dream that deceives by night, bililio, by night, Beth, by, lilio, night. Then the next line, gnabale, gnabale, that deceives, gnabale, gnabale, that deceives. Olmo busudoa. Olmo means world. Olmo busudoa. By its promises. Sudoe, promises. Promises. Busudoya. See? Beth is prefixed to sudo. Sudaya. 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 Busudaya. What kind of promises? Worldly promises. So the world deceives by its promises. Worldly promises are Maya, unreal. If you go after the worldly promises, my dear student, you will be cheated. My dear student, you will be cheated. You will be deceived by the worldly promises. See once again the poem. Here the poem is titled as Mele Gabioto Dumor Ephraim. Selected sentences of Saint Ephraim. The writer or author of the poem is More Ephraim, Saint Ephraim. See the richness of the words. I know the Rohem Yulpono, he who loves learning. The typical character of the student is who is in love with learning, who is fell in love with learning. Okay? I know the Rohem Yulpono, he who loves learning. Nagave Sagi Yulpone, his learning will be great. If your learning is not great, that means you are not interested in learning. You are not in love with learning. You are in love with someone else. Okay? See. I know the Rohem Bethalono. And he who loves idleness, laziness, the one who is not interested in learning is in idleness. He is a lazy man. He cannot be called a student. Okay? And he who loves Bethalono, idleness, Lo Mused Nehave Kashiro, is not able to become prosperous. Rich in character, rich in heavenly and worldly richness, rich in knowledge, he is not able to become Kashiro, prosperous. He is not able to become prosperous. Then, Olmo Ligigilo Domele, the world is similar to a wheel. Wheel, it moves, it runs. Likewise, the world, the arrow, the earth moves. And seasons and times comes. See? The Marhet Sabinevu Yedone, that makes times and seasons run. The world is similar to a wheel. The world is similar to a wheel that makes times and seasons to come. Then, Akdagnab helmobililio, as that which deceives, a dream by night, a dream by night. Gnabile olmob sudoa, the worldly promises deceives you. The worldly, you are deceived by the worldly promises. See, once again, the world is similar to a wheel. The world is similar to a wheel that makes times and seasons run. As a dream deceives by night, so the world deceives by its promises. Dear students, beware of the worldly promises. If you fell in touch with the worldly promises, you will be cheated, because the worldly promises are Maya, unreal. Okay? Beautiful lesson, rich in knowledge. See, give an introduction and develop the ideas into different paragraphs. Insert certain Syriac keywords into your essay. Write a conclusion and give a small moral lesson. All these lessons are moral lessons. Give a moral lesson. Prepare an essay. Prepare an essay. Good. Study well.